Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the UK Share Picking Game 2022. I'm Alpesh Patel. I'm a hedge fund manager. I set up my firm in 2004. I've written 18 odd books on investing and trading, published by the Financial Times, by Wiley. They've become international bestsellers. I've had published over 200 columns in the Financial Times on investing and my own show on Bloomberg TV, as well as doing the paper review on the BBC to some 200 plus million people worldwide. My passion is to help as many people as I can to invest more successfully. As part of my overall journey, I've joined forces with Stockomendation, and I'm very pleased to host what is quite simply the best share picking game ever, the UK Share Picking Game. The UK Share Picking Game is completely free. It's got cash prizes of over £150,000 throughout 2022. What's more, every player receives a free Stockomendation Share Picking platform membership, so you can also see what the UK journalists, tipsters, analysts, banks and brokers from across the UK are picking to invest in. It does not matter if you're new to investing or if you consider yourself a seasoned pro, because you can either play to win the cash prizes and you can simply create your own personalized leagues for your friends, family and work colleagues to play against, to chat and learn from each other about share picking and investing. All you have to do is sign up to the UK Share Picking Game, pick a league to compete in or create your own personalized league, invite who you want in your league, and then pick some UK companies that you think are a good buy or a good sell opportunity. Use the chat feature to banter with your friends or ask the wider community questions about investing. Each month, we'll be offering free investing and stock selecting seminars from some of the UK's top experts. It's about being part of a UK share picking community and competing for cash prizes. Good luck, and I hope to see you at the top of the leaderboards and in the seminars very soon.